Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you make informed decisions about your health. In today's video, we're going to talk about Granicip injection. We'll cover its uses, benefits, side effects, how to use it, and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Cipla Ltd. Granicip injection. Uses. Granicip injection is used to treat and prevent nausea and vomiting, particularly in patients undergoing chemotherapy or radiation therapy. It is also effective for general nausea and postoperative vomiting. Benefits. This injection works by blocking the action of chemicals in the brain that trigger the urge to vomit. It provides quick relief from symptoms and makes recovery from cancer treatments more manageable and comfortable. Side effects. Like all medications, Granicip injection may cause some side effects. These include injection site pain, constipation, diarrhea, headache, weakness, or insomnia. If any of these symptoms persist or worsen, consult your doctor. How to use. This medicine is administered as an injection by a doctor or nurse. Do not try to use it on your own. The dose and timing will be decided based on your condition and response to treatment. How it works. Granicip injection belongs to a class of medicines called antiemetics. It works by blocking serotonin, a chemical in the brain responsible for triggering nausea and vomiting, especially after cancer therapy or surgery.